Are you looking for financing for your business? Are you looking for something more affordable than a regular bank? In this video, we will discuss 7A loans. These loans are SBA's primary program for providing financial assistance to small business. Let's jump in. This is Business Media TV. My name is Mimi, the Business Advisor. On this channel, we advise business owners on how to start, grow, and sustain their businesses. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing to this channel to get more information about business. So 7A loans. There are different types of 7A loans. The terms and conditions, like the guarantee percentage and loan amount, may vary by the type of loan. Standard 7A. Maximum loan amount is 5 million. Maximum SBA guarantee percentage is 85% for loans up to $150,000 and 75% for loans greater than $150,000. What the SBA does is it guarantees some of these loans on your behalf, so it makes it easier for banks and other lenders to lend you money. Interest rate. Lenders and borrowers can negotiate the interest rate, but it may not exceed the SBA maximum. Eligibility is based and set by the SBA. There are some qualified bankers that have been delegated authority, and they may be able to make those determinations without SBA review. For revolving lines of credit, you get up to 10 years, permitted only under cap line submissions, and we'll just go through that below. The SBA turnaround time is 5 to 10 business days, so that's pretty fast for a business that needs a quick decision on a loan. The forms you have to file are 1919 and 1920, which is required for every loan, and there may be some other forms involved, so it will depend on the type of loan. Collateral. Lenders are not required to take collateral for loans up to $25,000. Now, for loans in excess of $350,000, the SBA requires the lender collateralize the loan to the maximum extent possible up to the loan amount. A credit decision is made by the SBA. 7A small loan. Maximum loan amount is $350,000. Maximum SBA guarantee is 85% for loans up to $150,000 and 75% for loans greater than $150,000. The interest rates are negotiable but can't exceed the SBA maximum. The same information applies as the other section that we just discussed here. This is a little different. It says here, at a minimum, the lender must take a first lien on assets financed with loan proceeds, and lender must take a lien on all the applicant's fixed assets, including real estate. So the lender may limit the lien taken against real estate to the loan amount. The decision is taken by SBA except for granted delegated authority. SBA Express features an accelerated turnaround time for SBA review. The SBA will respond to your application within 36 hours. Maximum loan amount is $350,000. Maximum SBA guarantee here is 50%. Interest rates again are subject to SBA maximum. Decision here is made by the lender. Here we're talking about revolving lines of credit up to 7 years with maturity extensions permitted at the outset. We already talked about the turnaround time, 36 hours, and then the form used are the lender's forms plus the SBA form 1919. Collateral. Lenders are not required to take collateral for loans up to $25,000. May use their existing collateral policy for loans over $25,000 in up to $350,000. Most of the decisions here are made by the lender. The lender may request expedited SBA purchase on small loans or in situations where liquidation may be delayed. The Export Express program provides exporters and lenders a streamlined method to obtain SBA-backed financing for loans and lines of credit up to $500,000. The lenders use their own credit decision process and loan documentation. The SBA will respond to your application within 24 hours. Maximum loan amount is $500,000, and there you see the difference here. The SBA guarantees 90% for loans of $350,000 or less, and 75% for loans more than $350,000. The interest rate. Lenders and borrowers may negotiate the rates, but again subject to SBA maximum. The eligibility is made by the lender. Revolving lines may not exceed 7 years. We already discussed the response time, and the forms here are the lender's primarily used forms plus SBA form 1919 and the borrower information. Collateral. The lender follows their regular policies established for its non-SBA guaranteed loans, and the decision made obviously is by the lender. Export working capital. Export working capital loans are for businesses that can generate export sales and need additional working capital to support these sales. Lenders review and approve applications and submit the request to the U.S. Export Assistance Center location servicing the exporters region. So if you're exporting anything out of the country, this is a very good program for you. The maximum loan amount is $5 million, and SBA guarantees 90%, and the interest is subject to the maximum interest rate limit. For the interest, the lenders and borrowers negotiate the interest rate, and no maximum interest rate for SBA is applicable. Eligibility is by the SBA. Qualified lenders may be granted authorizations to make those decisions. Revolving lines of credit, terms of 12 months or less. The SBA turnaround is 5 to 10 business days, and you have to include the SBA EIB 84-1 form plus attachments. Collateral. Export related inventory and receivable generated by export sales financed with WCP funds. The SBA also requires personal guarantee of owners with 20% or more ownership. The inventory and receivables from that export activity that are generated by the export sales are financed with the WCP funds. Here, they require you, the business owner, to do a personal guarantee of a portion of the loan. Then the credit decision is made by the SBA. International trade. This program provides long-term financing to businesses that are expanding because of growing export sales or that have been adversely affected by imports and need to modernize to meet foreign competition. The loans can be used for fixed assets, for construction, building, real estate equipment, and for working capital for export transactions. Loan amount of $5 million, 90% maximum SBA guarantee. The lender and borrower negotiable, not exceeding the SBA maximum. The eligibility decision is made by the SBA. Loan maturity, 10 years for permanent working capital, up to 10 years for machinery and equipment or the useful life of the equipment, not exceeding 15 years, and up to 25 years for real estate. The loans will mature based on the different criteria for working capital, equipment, and real estate. SBA turnaround time 5 to 10 business days, and the credit decision is made by the SBA. Now, the eligibility requirements. Eligible businesses must operate for profit, so it's not for non-profit, be engaged in or propose to do business in the US or its territories, have reasonable owner equity to invest, use alternative financing resources including personal assets before seeking financing assistant. Thank you very much for watching. Hope to see you in the next video. Bye.